Here comes our new video. Today we will make something unique with eggshell. So without wasting time, let's get started. To make an eggshell craft, I need an egg, spoon, a bowl, permanent markers, color, brushes, double-sided tape, a bottle cap and some glue. At first, I break the eggshell very carefully with a spoon. Make sure the hole should be very small. Then I carefully clear the inside of the egg. Then I wash it with water and soap and dry it in the air. After drying the shell, I make a face on the egg with a pen and make some detailing. Then I colored the egg. I used acrylic colors. I make the face with skin color and her sari with red and yellow color and make the hair with black. I take another eggshell and paint it brown like a basket. After that, I make the outline with a black permanent marker. Then I paint a bottle cap with green color and let it dry in the air. At last, I stick the character with double-sided tape on the bottle cap, and then I stick the basket on the character with glue and let it dry overnight. Now our eggshell craft is completely ready. You can put it in your showcase. If you really enjoyed the video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you have any doubt or any suggestion for us, then please comment below. Subscribe our channel to watch the videos of some cool craft work. We also make painting videos. Thank you.